Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ intervened in the foreign exchange market today. The BOJ sold $30 million to 6 banks and 5 cambios at an average rate of $154.56. Now, the central bank restricted resale to end users. This is the BOJ's 10th intervention since the start of the year. On to today's currency trading, the Jamaican dollar lost ground to the US dollar today. Foreign exchange trading closed with the greenback selling for $155.20 on average. The Canadian dollar is trading for $124.39. It's costing $215.69 for the pound and $186.07 for the euro. Onto some company news. Sagicor Group Jamaica, lead broker for Epley's latest prospectus to raise $500 million, says the offer was oversubscribed. The offer closed on July 26. Proceeds from the offer will be used to refinance debt. Meanwhile, fewer transactions were conducted via point-of-sale terminals and automated banking machines (ABMs) in 2020 compared to the previous year. Now, according to the Economic and Social Survey of Jamaica 2020, Jamaican dollar transactions at ABMs declined by 9% to 63.7 million transactions. However, total value of transactions increased by 10% to $1.5 trillion. For transactions at point-of-sales terminals, 49 million transactions were carried out, 7.7% less than 2020. The value of transactions was relatively unchanged at $716 billion. Now on to stocks. The JSE index declined by 2,288 points, while the junior market index declined by 3 points. Among the winners were Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, CAC 2000, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and Paramount Trading, while on the losing side were Lumber Depot, JMMB Group 7.5% US dollar CR Preference Shares, Kingston Properties, Siboney Group, and Fesco. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. News from overseas right after the break.